Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elizabeth White or Beth White. Well, anyway, I'm going to assemble my walk-in greenhouse and I will show you how I assemble my greenhouse right there. So let's get started. Of course, we have to open it like this. Ouch! Oh, alright. So anyways, cut it. I use scissor, alright, to open our box. I will put it somewhere here. So anyway, I don't know why the box is rotten, but don't worry about the box right now. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious me. It's heavy, guys. Heavy, but I can handle it. This is supposed to be a man's toilet, but anyways. Alright, so I hope there's a manual that will teach me how to do it. Let me see. So there are three, whatever. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's no. Oh, number 2. This is number 2. 10 number 2. What's this number here? I don't see. Number 1. This is number 1 right here. Number 1. Next we have this is number 2 as well. Next, the same number 2. Alright. This is number 3. Right there, number 3. Okay, so 4 number 3, 1. Number 2. I have 1 number 1. So number 8 is right here. Number 1. Well, of course, this is maybe tiny. Oh my goodness, this is number 5 here, right, guys? Number 5. Oh, that's so. Okay, this is the cover for the greenhouse. When it's done, I will put it to cover. Alright, so I have the manual. Okay, but I'm wondering what this. Oh, I still have more here. I don't know what number is this, but Ford. I have 2 numbers here. I have screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 screens right here with me. I have 11, so I have 12. I have 12. Alright. There's more here. Oh, there's more. I don't know. There's more. I don't know what this is, but let me see what number. That's probably to connect. This is the thing to connect the dots. Connect the dots, whatever you say, Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth. Alright, guys. Okay, boys and girls. Are you ready? Let's get ready. Alright. Okay, so, oh well, I'm sorry, I was talking and I started talking and I wasn't able to press the button that to record, but anyways, I said let's get started, and I start sorting my materials here. So anyway, do you understand? There's no instructions, but only pictures. So I'll do my best to assemble my piece. And okay, if it takes longer, I will fast forward. Well, anyway, bear with me, guys, and I will just take a look at the picture. So it says here, this is number 3. Number 3, letter D. Number 2, letter E. Number 2, letter D. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of numbers. I'm
number 3, all 3s and 2s. Alright, so 3 and 2. Let's do it, guys. So 3 and 2. I will open one pack of number 2. Okay, so I have the remaining 2 remaining cupcakes of number 2. And then open another 3 right here. I probably won't save the cupcakes, so I can reuse it whenever I want to keep it or transfer another house. And of course, I have to bring this with me, whatever. So, let's start opening my PVC, and I have to be careful looking on the number or on the letters because these are labeled with the letters. Okay, yeah, this is what it says in this book right here. Letter D, letter E, letter D, letter E, letter whatever. There's number 1 also. Oh, I have to use number 1. There are only 3. How come I only have 3 number 1? Yeah, number 1. Alright. Okay. There's only one number 1. Okay. Okay, guys. Ooh, my battery is low. I will change the battery. I'll be back.
Alright, so let's start assembling our piece right here. Step number 1. Okay, so I will just follow the numbers here. Okay, it's here. This is number 2 right here, and the one here going on top, going upward, number 3, and then number 4 right here. Connect this number 3 and number 2 with D, and then letter E right there. So bear with me. I already sorted my PVC connector, so let me show you here. I have letter E right here. I have letter E. Letter D. Okay, I have 4
letter D's. Okay, I have 4 letter D and 26. Okay, this is letter D, PVC connector. I have 4 letter A, 6 letter B, 2 pieces of letter C, 6 pieces of letter D, and then 26 pieces of letter E, 1 piece of letter F, and 2 pieces of letter G. So bear with me, guys. I will just follow the numbers. Anyway, okay, this is my number 2 right here. This is number 2. I will insert it right here. Okay, so I will insert it
just like so. And then my number 3 will go like this. On top of it, going upward. And then connect it with number 4 right here. This is number 4. It's shorter. Oops. Okay, it's connected. Now, alright, so I will be continuing my journey. So I will not open this yet. Alright. Oh, hold on. Okay, alright, so yeah. And then next is to connect it with letter E. Alright, so let me get my letter E and connect it here. Okay, so this will be it. Okay, that's it. That's my letter E right there. Okay, can you see? Alright guys, so this is my letter E. I connect this, the number 4 with my letter E PVC connector, and then the one that will go right here will be number 3. Alright, so I hope you will see what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay, so yes, you can see. Okay, so that's number 3 again right there. Okay. So let's just continue on and on and on. Alright. So I will connect another number 1. Ooh, okay, number 1. Where is number 1? Oh, number 1. I have is this one. Number 1. Are you number 1? Well, you show me the number. I can't see the number. So, oh yeah, this is number 1. Right here, there are only 3 number 1. Let me see if I'm correct. Okay, because if I'm not, number 1, there are 3 pieces. Alright, so a frame tube size. Alright, so this is number 1 right here. Okay, there are only 3. There are only 3 right here. So I guess I need space. Okay, that's number 1 right there. Connected. I connected the number 1. Oh my gosh, I need space. I really need spaceship. Spaceship. I need spaceship. Okay, move backward. Backward right there. So anyways, alright. Okay, so why did I mix it? Alright, so let's continue on and on and on. Okay. You still can't see me, guys, right? Yes, you should see. You should see me. Okay. Next is...
Alright, so let's connect another number. I mean, another connector, letter E. Okay, another connector, letter E. Yep.
Alright, so far that's our development right now in our piece. I put letter B, letter B on the center all the way. That's B, 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 B. That's our letter E, 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 E. And now let's connect. Okay, let's use those PVC connector to connect our stem, whatever you call it. Not stem. It's not a stem. Our frame. Okay, so let's connect our frame. Let's just read it right here. Actually, there's no instruction but the numbers, as I have said earlier at the beginning of my video. Alright, so connect number 444. Okay, so connect number 4. These are all number 4 right here. Connect this one here. Connect this one here. Okay. Connect 4. Secure. Alright. Right here.
Here. Alright, secure. Now let's find another tab of number 2. Where is it? I got it. Okay, so far that's what we have right there. Okay. Now I will continue connecting with the number 4. So I will just follow. Okay. Alright. Oh, I connected it already? Now, let's put number 3. Okay, number 3 will be on top. Okay, oh, number 3. Number 3, alright, so. Number 3. Here's number 3 right there. Can you see my symbol, guys? If you can, then I will probably just temporary. Okay, so these are all numbers. I'm just connecting all the number things, guys. Okay, make sure it's all secured. Oops. Okay, why is it not? It's like no. Can you stand up straight? Seems like you're not standing up straight. Alright, so far so good. Now, let's connect the number 2s, I believe. Yes. Okay, I have removed my glasses. So. Okay, so let's connect the number 2s. The number 2s. 2 by 2 by 2 1. Okay, this is our number 2. Oh my gosh! My own feet! Goodness! Right? Here you go. Right. Will you cooperate? Will you cooperate? I'm talking to my feet. I want them to cooperate. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Yeah. That's right. Cooperate. Alright. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Oops. Okay. There you go. So far so good. Now. Oh my gosh. Well, the thing is, this is just easy, guys. No screwdrivers needed. Just have to insert. This is a lot of work and a lot of memorization. A lot of work and a lot of memorization. Whatever. Trust me, guys, when I say so. Trust me, guys, when I say so. I hope you hear me. I hope you. Alright. There you go. Okay. Alright. Good. Good. Alright. So far, so good. Next. Let me take a look. Okay, guys, so far, we're almost done. See? Okay. So now let's go to step 3. So far, we're done with the step 1, step 2, and now we're moving to step 3. Step 3 says, okay, still the same, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, B, okay, alright, B and E. Okay, so, alright guys, so I'll just connect the connector first, and then the lines, the frame. So let's just follow, okay, let's just follow there, E. And the D, there are only 2 D's remaining. Okay, and the D should be right here. That's it. No more. Okay, and then the same thing. Okay, E and B, E. Okay, this B and E. This is E and B. Okay, we're same. Okay, so that's E right there. Let's put the B here. B right there. And E right here, just like so. Okay. Okay. There should be no more going upward too. Okay, just like this here. Okay, so next it would be E and D. Alright, so the E and D. Going upward should be E and D. Alright, so let's do it the same way there. Okay. It should be E and D. Ooh. Okay, this is D. Sorry. Okay, so far, did you follow? Okay, now let's go to the other side. Should be, it should be, D. Somewhere here, D. Should be D in here, and E in here. Okay, and then next, should be B and E. B and E. C and E. Okay, that's the same. This is C. This is C. Just like so, D. This one goes like that. Okay, and then should be E and D. Should be E and D. Okay. Alright. I'm recording. You might be on here. Okay, so that's E and E. Okay, next is. Alright, so same thing. Let me wear my glasses. 4, 4. Okay, 4, 4, 4, and 3, 3, 3. Alright. Alright. Let's move.
I'll be my glasses.
No, thank you. Okay, let's put number 4 right here. 4 right here. 4. 4. 4. 4. Okay. It's easy too. Just watch. But it's not easy as when you're doing it yourself. So. Alright. Okay. Alright. There we go.
Alright, so let's move on to step number 4. I guess I'm going to make this the roofing of my greenhouse. Alright, so we're done with step 3. As you can see, we're done with the step 3. Alright, and now let's move on to step 4. So I don't know if I have to make this separately and connect it later, or I have to do it on the base. So yeah, bear with me. Whatever. There's no instruction how to do it. So well, anyway, it says here, connect. And okay, there are connectors here for the roofing. Alright, so of course I have to put the number 2s. Number 2, yep. Let me get my glasses to read. Alright, so I guess, yeah, it is. Number 2, I have to connect number 2, and then number 1 right there. Alright, so that's why there's only 2 number 1s. Okay. I mean, there are only 3 number 1s. Alright, so okay, so letter A. I will use letter A now. Alright, so just follow the steps. I will put the number 2s for now. so it won't be complicated. Okay, so let's go. Number 2. Okay, I'll open the. Oh, I still have number 2 here. Okay. I still have number 2. Okay. Connect number 2. All right. Connect. Oh, it's all connected. Now let me open this. Okay, let me open it. Alright, it's connected. Don't run. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious me. Will you get in? Okay, you will have problem. Oh my goodness. Yes, I have problem. No, I'm not use that glasses for now. I really don't like wearing glasses, guys. It's just bothering me. But when I read, I can't do anything else but use the glasses. Use my glasses because the letters are small. This is because, you know, it happens when you become sweet 40s. when you're in your sweet 40s, you know what I mean? your eyesight is blurring. Whatever. I'm just popping up a joke, but it's a true story. True. Alright, so okay, now let's finish this up. We're almost done, everyone. Alright, I'm so excited. I'm almost done with my piece of work. Alright, so I can clean everything. My floor in the kitchen is very dirty, as you can see right there. Okay, and I have a lot of plants. Okay, not a lot, but I have plants to be inside this greenhouse. I just love greenhouse, guys. Alright, so we're just going to finish our step number 4. Okay, this is step number 4 and number 5. Step number 4, number 5. Okay, we're done with that one. So let's connect our frame. Our frame number 5. This is our frame number 5 right here. This one here. So that's our frame number 5. There are 6 pieces, and I will put it right here. As you can see, oh my goodness. Okay, so it should be connected in here. Alright, there you go. Oh my goodness, see? see the frame right there? My goodness, it's dark. Okay, it's okay. Alright, you can see that. And I will connect it with letter G, F, and G, whatever. Okay, letter G. And another like this to the other side. So I don't know if you will see me. Now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me, now you don't. Okay, I probably will just turn off the light so you will be able to see what I'm doing right here. Because it's dark when I go up like that. Well, so far so good. Okay, so I will put, okay, if you can see what I'm doing, then just listen to me. Just listen to me. I'm going to put this one here, just like so. Alright, and I will connect that one later, guys. Okay, I'll just put everything. Okay, right, like this. Okay, I love it. It seems like I'm making house. I am making my house. What happened here is, I don't know. Hold on, I might not be able to. So, anyways. Okay. Alright. Okay, so far so good. Alright guys, can you see now what's going on there? Yes. Wow, it's taller than me. I love it. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious me. I love it, guys. Why is it so dark? Gosh. Will you please cooperate, light? Well, anyways. Okay, so there you go. That's the frame right there. Alright, so let's finish this one here, but of course I can't reach it without the steps. I'll be using this one here, right here. Alright, so now let's connect our letter. Oh my goodness, I can't see it again. I need my glasses. Alright. Okay. I need to connect it with letter G, letter F, and letter G. So the letter F will be at the back. So let me see. This is letter F, I believe. I believe I can fly. Where is the letter? I can't even see it. Oh my goodness. But I believe these are the parts here. So this is letter F, and this is letter G. There are two G's and one F. Okay, so letter F will be in the center. Okay, so goodness. Alright, so should be like this. Like this. Oh, I don't like this like that, but like this, I believe. Right. Okay, so that's it. Conceit. Okay. Now let me face you. Let me face you. Let me face you. Don't mind my figure right now, because I'm so messy. I'm so messed up, sweaty, and whatever. But you know, I'm trying to still look beautiful. Just a joke, guys. You might be irritated with me telling myself I'm still beautiful. Well, I am beautiful, just like my mother said. Who will tell you you're beautiful than your mother, right? Right, so believe your mother. Believe what your mother says. Who cares? I am beautiful. I am who I am. So tiring. I've been doing this for hours, guys. You just don't know. I've been doing this for hours. Yeah. Oh, all right. Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right. So almost there. Okay, I have a house now. Looks like a dog house. All right. So okay, I believe I can fly. I believe we're almost done here. I'll just put. Oh, I don't know. Where's this one thing here? There's one thing here. There's one thing. This is what they call. Let me look at it. Okay. So this is the spike. Okay, the spike. Here, I will put it. Oh, there's no. Oh, I'm recording. Hold on. Alright, so we're done with the frame. Everything's done in there. We don't need the spikes. We don't need this one. Okay, can you see? Yeah, we don't need this one. We need this if we or you will need this if you will put your greenhouse outside in your backyard or front yard or wherever you want to put it outside. You need the spike to secure your PVC cover. What I mean PVC cover is where are you? This one. I will put this after this. Okay, so we're done. All we need is the PVC cover. So bear with me. I will put it on. I will put it on here. So it will be a good greenhouse looking. Woohoo! Okay, so I still need the steps or the ladder. This is the one I need to put in there. So, okay, I have to open the zipper to apply it properly. I probably need somebody with me putting this one, but nobody with me, so what can I do but do it alone? Alone. Okay. Alright, so what's wrong with this? Okay. Alright. Okay, alright. Okay, so I believe it goes there. Somewhere there. I will open the zipper so it will be easier for me to. I love it. I only have a little space. Oh, what's going on in here? Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. So anyways, now it's open. Let's put it on. Starting from this side, of course. Starting from this side. Oh my gosh, gracious. Alright.
So, hold me. Nobody will hold me, so please hold me. Hold me tight. Ouch. Nobody will hold me here, guys. So please, if you're watching, please help me. Hold the frame, hold the stairs for me. And I'm covering this now. Alright, just like so. Oh, am I doing it right? Or no? Yes, no. Yes, no. If no, I don't know. Okay. Because I'm doing it right. Well, so far this is expensive. Okay. Alright, so let's go. Oh my gosh. Go here. Move forward. Okay, hold me still. Hold me still. I wish you were here, guys, to help me put in this one. I'll be glad to have you with me to help you with this one. Oh my goodness. What did I do? No, this is not the way I should put it. Oh, see what's going to happen if you're alone? Yes, this is what's my copper here alone, guys. This is it. Nobody helps. Nobody but you. Alright, so I believe that's it. I just pull it. Pull it. Alright, just pull it. Oh, I'm sweating. Really sweating. Really sweating right here, right now. Oh, let me remove my glasses. Alright, so I believe we got it. We got it, guys. That's what I believe. Yes. Ah, yay. This is it. Alright, so I will just secure all the things there, and I'll finish it up, and I'll be right back.